Hi, today we will see there is something called as damage calculation in FEMFET, and there are basically five options here. We will look into these three options. These three options are generally used, and why we are in most industries we are using setting minor as minor modified, and why is so, and what is the difference between minor original, minor modified, and elementary minor. So basically, in most of the automobile industry, we are using minor modified and why so. So firstly, before going to into this, we need to know the simple theory about SN curve and endurance limit. Endurance limit is like just like there are many other limits like yield limit, ultimate limit. The material endurance limit is that limit if the amplitude stress is below the endurance limit and there is no mean stress, then it will go to the life of that component will be infinite. So in basic sense, if endurance limit, when the mean stress is zero, if the amplitude stress is below endurance limit, then the life of the component is basically infinite. It will never break in the cyclic loading. So but this is for the steel. For aluminum, if you draw the SN curve of aluminum, uh, firstly, what is SN curve? SN curve is nothing but a log of stress versus log of cycles, fatigue cycles curve. When the mean stress is zero, so this all tests are performed on the mean stress is zero, means there is uh, stress is ranging from uh, plus sigma to minus sigma. Basically, this means that. So, in that case, amplitude stress will be sigma and mean stress will be zero. Okay. So, if you so this testing has been observed in simple steel and aluminum test cases. For steel, it has significantly many times it has been shown that it is always a straight line mostly, and for aluminum, it never that straight line is most likely not be able we are not be able to found that straight line. So for our convenience, like this is a thumb rule of empirical formula mostly used to calculate the endurance limit. In Endurance limit in steel is nothing but its UTS divided by 2, and endurance limit uh, in aluminum components is nothing but UTS, its ultimate tensile strength divided by 3. That is a thumb rule. If you are doing hand calculation, then this might be useful. Now coming to once we have understanding regarding this, coming to what is minor modified, elementary minor, and original minor. So original minor is nothing but whatever we have read in the textbook, like in the graduate level textbook. Like this is the slope, its slope is k. This is log sigma, this is log n, and this is for mean stress is equal to 0. Okay, so this is amplitude of log of amplitude stress, this is log of cycles stress, and this is elementary minor. Sorry, this is minor original. Minor original is nothing but whatever we have read in the graduate level textbooks. So there is a limit, and generally for a still 10 to the power 6, 10 raised to power 6, and after that is k is infinite, means this is my endurance limit. After that, it will go on into n number of cycles, the infinite number of cycles, if the stress is below this range. Okay, but we have seen that for aluminum this is not the case. So what to do for that, to accom to account for these errors? And for steel also, for some alloys of steel also, this might not minor original might not be the case. So what to do in these cases? So for all cases, for our general significance, we are using minor modified. Why so? Because elementary minor, as you can see, that slope is it is constant, means whatever the slope here after endurance limit, also the slope is same. So there exist stresses uh, for zero. If you see this one minor, elementary minor, for almost near to zero amplitude stresses, you are getting some life, means this is like the very conservative case, means it will give you very less fatigue life, which might not be correct. Okay, but this is very conservative. Okay, minor original is not suited for the most of the materials. So we what is minor modified? Minor modified means the slope up to endurance limit is k, and then there will be a slope change which is 2k minus 1, and then after that it becomes a straight line. This is ideal for most of the general materials. That's why we are using minor modified, and there are several codes which also refers to the use of minor modified. That's why we are using minor modified in most of the cases. Thank you.